Hello students, today here I am teaching some most important substitutions for a topic differentiation, that is derivatives and integration. First column expression and second column substitution. First, under root of a square minus x square. Under root of a square minus x square, substitution x is equals to a sin theta or a cos theta. A cos theta, using here x is equals to a sin theta, for example. Then square, because of square we get a square sin square theta. Yes, a square sin square theta, taking a square common, then in bracket 1 minus sin square cos square. Then square root cancel, then we get a square root a and cos square root cos theta, using identity, fundamental identity. For example, under root of 1 minus x square, substitution x is equals to, here a is equals to 1. Yes, therefore x is equals to sin theta or cos theta, Next, under root of x square plus a square, substitution x is equals to a tan theta or a cot theta, substitution, and then using identity, we know that 1 plus tan square sec square, okay, identity. Next, under root of x square minus a square equals to 36, 25, okay, then 25, for example, 25 means adjustment 5 square. Then next, under root of x square minus a square, put x is equals to a sec theta or a cosec theta. First substitution, and then taking a square common, and then using fundamental identity, 1 plus tan square is equals to sec square, okay, then sec square minus 1 equals to tan square, or cosec square minus 1 is equals to cot square. Next, under root of a plus x upon a minus x, or under root of a minus x upon a plus x, put x is equals to a cos 2 theta or a cos theta. For example, x is equals to under root of a plus x upon a minus x. Suppose a is equals to 1, then put x is equals to cos 2 theta only. Therefore, here we get 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 1 minus cos 2 theta. Then we know that most important results, 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to formula 2 cos square theta. Yes, and 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. Here 2 theta, and in the right side it's half angle. Okay, using that result. Next, 2x into under root of 1 minus x square. Put x is equals to sin theta or cos theta. Put x is equals to sin theta, under root of 1 minus sin square theta. For example, put x is equals to sin theta. 2 sin theta into under root of 1 minus sin square cos square. Square root cancel. 2 sin theta cos theta. Formula of sin 2 theta. Double angle formula. Yes, sin 2 theta. Then next, under root of here a square minus x square upon a square plus x square, or under root of a square plus x square upon a square minus x square. Here a square term. Therefore, here our substitution, put x square is equals to a square cos 2 theta or a square cos theta. Yes, a square, here using a square cos 2 theta, then a square common. Here also put x square is equals to a square cos 2 theta, a square common and cancel, okay, in the numerator a square, in the denominator also a square, cancel, and then 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta, using results. Okay, next, here without root term, a minus x upon a plus x or a plus x upon a minus x. Here our substitution, x is equals to a. Here using a tan theta x is equals to a tan theta. Here a minus, put x is equals to a tan theta. Here also a tan theta. Then taking a common, 1 minus tan upon 1 plus tan. Then tan is equals to sine upon cos. Okay. And then next step is a cross adjustment. Cross adjustment. Yes. Then under root of x upon a plus x or under root of x upon a minus x. Here substitution. Yes. Here put x is equals to, here a plus x. A plus x. Then put x here. Substitution. Put x is equals to, and here x is equals to, we know that a square plus x square. Then substitution, put x is equals to a tan theta, here a tan theta or a cot theta, and under root of a square minus x square, a sin theta or a cos theta. Okay, therefore here our substitution, put x is equals to, yes, put x is equals to a tan square theta, a म्हणजे तो a कॉमन येऊन कॅन्सल होईल, a tan square theta, and tan square because here under root. Okay, put x is equals to a tan square upon a plus a tan square. Okay, then a common, a cancel, and then in the numerator here we get tan square, and in the denominator 1 plus tan square using identity. Okay, therefore here substitution a minus x. Yes, x is equals to a sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta. Then next part, using identity. Okay, most important point, identity. 2x upon 1 plus x square. Substitution. Yes, x is equals to tan theta. We know that formula, 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Most important for trigonometric function topic also. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is a formula of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Put x is equals to tan theta. Yes. Therefore here we get 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And this is a formula of cos 2 theta. Okay, cos 2 theta. Next, 2x upon 1 minus x square. Yes, 2x upon 1 minus x square. X is equals to tan theta. Tan theta. Therefore here after substitution we get 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and this is a formula of tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta. Next, 3x minus 4x cube. Put x is equals to sin theta, sin theta, sin theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is a formula of sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta. 4x cube minus 3x. Put x is equals to cos theta. Yes, put x is equals to cos theta. Therefore here we get 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, formula of cos 3 theta, triple angle formula, triple angle formula. Next, 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Put x is equals to tan theta, put x is equals to tan theta. Therefore here we get 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and this is a formula of tan 3 theta, triple angle formula. Okay, next, one minus 2x square. Substitution, x is equals to, both are double angle formulas. Yes, here using x is equals to sin theta, sin theta. Therefore here we get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is a formula of cos 2 theta. Yes, we know that cos 2 theta, first formula cos square theta minus sin square theta. Second formula 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Next formula, put x is equals to here cos theta. Okay, 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1, and this is a formula of cos 2 theta, double angle formula. These all are the results. Okay, most important for topic derivatives, integration and triggers. Yes, triggers. Okay.